Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Ford Ranger, stock number 6541. It's ran from the 6th 2018 and the 4th 2022. It has a YN2S 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the YN2S 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, light stone chips. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front master switch. Right front sun visor. Left front sun visor, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,